Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to stabilize videos in Premiere Pro. And if you're wondering why I'm not just using a screen recorder, well, for one, the method of doing it uses a lot of processing power, and my computer kind of isn't powerful enough to record and stabilize at the same time. And my computer isn't really good at, well, recording the screen. Anyway, I'm going to get in a new graphics card to fix that problem. But until then, well, this is how I've got to do it. Good thing I have a good camera. Alright, so I've got my sample video here. This is a 4K video that I took at my church. I'm making a new channel intro and I'm going to use this as the base. So first, put it in your timeline, whatever video you're trying to stabilize. And then over here in the search, type warp. And you'll see warp stabilizer. Click that and drag it. Now this is probably going to take a while depending on how powerful your computer is. So now it's going to analyze all the frames. It's going to take a while. So I'll just skip this part and get y'all when it finishes. Hey guys, so I figured out how to record my screen on my Mac without, crashing it. Anyway, so when you do the warp stabilizer, you can choose the different effects here, but I only recommend subspace warp, because if you choose the others, then dang it, I forgot. Now it has to redo that. But if you choose the others, then it's not gonna be, it's not gonna look smooth. I think that this might show it. No it doesn't. Oh, never mind. I think it was stabilize only that does it. And now it's going to do that again. Because when you do stabilize it, it's gonna crop it. And when it does that, it does it so that it looks smooth. But if you don't want to crop it, then it'll just be moving all over the place. Alright, this isn't gonna show it. But if you have a video that's like really bad, it needs to be cropped really good, then you'll be able to easily tell. But this, it looks really smooth now. Alright, so that's how to stabilize videos in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And here's a little bonus. The exported video. That does not look smooth. Oh well. At least I was able to get my screen to be able to record. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Bye!